What's up, guys? Tony Ramirez here, and welcome to the garage. If you're into turning wrenches, fixing up cars, or just keeping your ride in top shape, you're in the right spot. I drop real-world tips, no fluff, just what actually works. So hit that like button, smash subscribe, and let's wrench smarter, not harder. All right, enough intro. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm diving into a topic that affects many of us, idling. We often find ourselves waiting in our cars, whether it's at a red light or in a parking lot, and it can seem harmless. But did you know that idling has some surprising causes and significant impacts on our environment and our wallets? I'll be exploring the reasons behind why we idle, the consequences it brings, and most importantly, some practical solutions to reduce it. So, let's get started and find out how we can make a difference together. Find the best garage for your car. Diagnosis: see garages. An idling car is generally a sign of a lack of engine power. This can be caused by a number of different parts. To find the source of the malfunction, an auto diagnostic must therefore be carried out. What causes an idling car? What should you do if your car stalls? How much does it cost to repair an idling car? Find the best garage for your car. Diagnosis: see garages. What causes an idling car? An idling car is generally due to a lack of engine power. This may be due to the wrong amount of fuel or air in the combustion chambers, or to a malfunction in the combustion process. A car that stalls at idle can have several causes, e.g. a valve that is blocked or stuck in the open or closed position, which means that exhaust gases will either flow continuously or not flow at all. As a result, the air-fuel ratio in the combustion chambers will not be optimal, affecting engine power and causing idling. Spark plugs create the spark needed to ignite the air-fuel mixture. Faulty spark plugs will be less efficient, affecting engine power and possibly causing the vehicle to stall at idle. The idle actuator helps maintain optimum gear ratios when the engine is idling. To do this, it uses information transmitted by the reprogramming system. A faulty idle actuator could cause the engine speed to drop, leading to engine stalling at idle. A malfunction in the car's fuel system could lead to a lack of fuel in the combustion chamber, resulting in the car stalling at idle. This malfunction may be due to the fuel pump, but also to a clogged fuel filter. For example, a damaged torque converter can cause the car to stall at idle, as its role is to transmit engine power to the rest of the powertrain. In the event of failure, the power transmitted to the engine at idle will not be sufficient, resulting in numerous stalls at idle. What should you do if your car stalls? If your car stalls at idling speed, you need to visit a garage to determine the cause of the problem. You can then carry out the necessary repairs to solve the problem. To carry out an auto diagnostic, the professional will use a diagnostic kit which will display one or more fault codes in the event of a failure. For a clogged EGR valve, for example, a fault code P1406 will be displayed on the diagnostic kit. To solve a valve clogging problem, you can perform a descaling operation. If the valve is faulty, you'll need to replace it. Find the best garage for your car. Diagnosis: see garages. How much does it cost to repair an idling car? Repairing an idling car usually starts with an auto diagnostic. The cost of such an intervention varies from around €50 to €150. To this amount must be added the cost of repairs, which depends on the defective part. An EGR valve change usually costs between €100 and €400, while a spark plug change will set you back between €30 and €60. The price of an idle actuator change varies between €50 and €350, and that of a torque converter between €300 and €900. The total cost therefore depends very much on the cause of the failure. To solve the problem of your car stalling at idle, you need to carry out an auto diagnostic. This will help you find the part causing the problem. To choose your garage, use our garage comparator. Find the best garage for your car. Diagnosis: see garages. Spark plugs. Mechanical guide. Engine tips and amp tricks. EGR valve. In conclusion, idling is a significant issue that not only contributes to environmental pollution but also wastes valuable resources. By understanding the common causes of idling, such as convenience and habit, we can take proactive steps to reduce it. Implementing solutions like turning off engines when parked, promoting awareness, and utilizing technology can make a substantial difference. Together, we can create a cleaner, more sustainable future by making small changes in our daily habits. Thank you for watching, and let's work towards a more responsible approach to driving.